Chris Evans had kidney stones, reveals Sam Pinkham. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these newsletters. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. Chris Evans presents his breakfast show with Sky on Virgin Radio UK week 30 to 10 a.m. but the host was absent from the airwaves today for a second. Last week, Chris's replacement Sam Pinkham revealed the regular host had been taken to hospital after suffering from stomach pains. Virgin Radio listeners expressed their disappointment at Chris's absence while also wishing him well. One tweeted, "Where's our Chris? Hope he is okay," and another said, "No Chris again? When is he back? Where's Chris again? I do hope he's okay." Another listener asked, for the sixth time, "Where is Chris?" Last week, Sam explained Chris was recovering at home after receiving treatment for kidney stone. Updating listeners, he said, "If you've just tuned into us here on Chris Evans' radio show, he went into hospital over the weekend with stomach. It turns out that he had kidney stones. Has all sorted and he is back at." Sam told listeners Chris was going to return to his breakfast show today but was forced to step in for the second week in a row at the last minute. The Sun reported the radio DJ spent 2 nights in hospital following his visit to the hospital on Saturday, February. Chris was released last Monday but spent the week recovering at home while Sam steps in for him on the air. The Virgin Radio DJ revealed he thought the kidney stones was trapped wind. He explained, "I thought I had trapped wind and general man pain most of Saturday. I took paracetamol and waited for nature to take its course. That did it." Late Saturday night my wife called 111 and we were advised to go to A&E. Which after an ultrasound scan and CT scan, it was clear I had a kidney stone. Chris explained he was admitted to a ward where he was treated but the stone was not removed. The radio DJ will have to return to the hospital for treatment if the stone doesn't come out on its own. Trending, all the NHS doctors, nurses, porters and consultants were typically amazing, professional, warm, caring, all wrapped up in their usual blanket of selflessness and hilarity, he added. To the Express.co.uk have contacted a representative of Chris for comment. Today's Virgin Radio breakfast show saw Sam chatting to the One Show's Angelic. Chris Evans' breakfast show with Sky airs on Virgin Radio UK weekdays at 6 to 10 a.m.